They were waiting, hungry, silent, hearts burning for a promise, and suddenly heaven broke open. The ground shook, the air roared like a mighty storm. Fire fell, not fire to destroy, but fire to ignite. Every heart, every soul, consumed with holy power, eyes blazed with glory, tongues poured out with the language of heaven. Every wall was shattered. Every nation heard the voice of God. That day, the world was never the same. And listen, that outpouring has not stopped. It is flowing, still, here, now, for you.
Holy Spirit, take over. I surrender all to you. Fill this room with holy fire. Let your wind come rushing through. Not my will, but yours be done. Let your glory now be shown. Holy Spirit, take over. I am yours and yours alone. Holy Spirit, you are welcome. Come and make my heart your throne. Break the chains, remove the shadows. Let your power be made known. You are comfort, you are fire. You are whisper, you are roar. Holy Spirit, take over. I am crying out for more. Spirit,